para sa Magnolia. Good lead pass by Winnie Arboleda. Ito, pinaganda pa ni Gary David. Getting his 30th point of the ball game.
Right now, here's Steve Thomas against Dorian Peña. Homer set, umispak ng todo. Wala. But there's Gary David. Hirap mo nang pigilan yung offensive rebound na pupaking ginawa dun So, they're on top by 2. Gary David, the floater! What a shot for Gary David! Yung kanyang pinahinga due to his 4 personal fouls. Ibinubuhos siya na dito. And right now, with among Air 21, Gary David! Maaaring pandin! And Gary David! Alam ba, antidote ng Magnolia dito Already with 18 points ito si Gary David with a good 2:25 remaining.